confused. Ooh, they from Brooklyn. Oh my gosh. Let's see. Hello? Ad time. Ad time. Ad time. Can you rate me from 1 to 10? This man has weed and drugs and money in this video. Why did he not add time? He didn't want to go to jail. That's what it was. He didn't want to go to jail. Hi you guys, welcome back to AshaKosh. So today I'm going to be doing the monkey app. I'm going to be using that app and I'm going to ask people without any makeup on what they rate me. Before I start this video, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I make a post, and like, comment, and subscribe. Alright, let's get into the video. Hi.
What's up? How you doing?
Good.
Oh, you look good, girl. I like your jacket. You just skin glowing.
Thank you, thank you.
Just an angel, baby.
How do you add time? Oh, dang it. I didn't forgot to add time. I need to figure out how to use this app. Okay. Hi. Can I ask you guys a question?
Yeah,
Okay. Can you guys rate me from 1 to 10? 10 being like, you know, a 10? Oh, thank you. Ooh, okay. Boom, a 10. Ooh, Don. Okay, Don. Hello? Hey, can I ask you a question? Can you rate me from 1 to 10?
20.
Ooh, thank you. He said 20. Okay. Okay, I might be cute. I might be cute. Y'all can see my light in here. I'm so sorry. Gotta get the lighting, you know what I'm saying, sis? Okay, nobody's trying to do this with me. Hello? Hi, can I ask you a question? Can you rate me from 1 to 10? Can you rate me from 1 to 10?
10.
Oh, thank you. I keep on getting 10s. Am I cute or whatever? Hey. Hey, can I ask you? Okay. Can you rate me from 1 to 10?
I'll give you a whole goddamn hundo.
Thank you. Ooh, why you give me a hundo?
At time.
Oh,
Please.
okay. Oh, he said add time. Oh, snap. Okay. I'm tripping. I need to add time to these people. Hi.
Hi.
Can you rate me from 1 to 10?
9.5.
9.5. Why can I get that extra 1.5 point? You know what I'm saying? How can I do that? He couldn't answer it. He said 9.5. It's okay. It's okay. I keep on getting skipped. I don't like y'all. No one wants to talk to me. Hello? Hello?
Oh, what's up?
Hey, can you rate me from 1 to 10?
What?
Can you rate me from 1 to 10? Why can't you rate me? I'm confused. Am I not saying the correct things? Am I stuttering? Hello?
Hey, baby.
Hey, can you rate me from 1 to 10? 10? Ooh, why you call me? Why am I 10?
Because you just called me.
Aw, thank you, babe. He was cute. Aw, thank you. Hey.
Hey, beautiful, how you doing?
I'm doing good. Can you rate me from 1 to 10?
From 1 to 10? What do you think? 1 to 10? Oh, you better.
They're a fool, bruh. I love them. I should have added time. I'm tripping. Why am I not adding time? Hello?
Yo, what's Gucci?
Hey, can you rate me from 1 to 10?
You're a 10.
Why you call me a 10?
You're beautiful.
I thought I added time just now. What? I'm confused. I pressed the time adding thingy. I'm confused. Come on, Rodney. I know you want to talk to me. He didn't want to talk to me. Hi. Hello? Oh, your connection sucks, sir.
What's up?
Okay, can you rate me from 1 to 10? His connection sucked, because I don't know, because I mean, you can hear his connection wasn't working. Y'all need to get that, hello? Hey? Can you rate me from 1 to 10? No, you can't rate me? He said he couldn't rate me. He was just jamming out. Like, get off the app if you're not gonna stop. You know what I'm saying? I need talking buddies, not just like, hello?
What's up, shawty?
Hey, can you rate me from 1 to 10?
8.5.
Oh, an 8 point. Why am I 8.5?
Cause you look good. You have cute eyes.
But why can't I be a 10?
Honestly, if you had your hair down.
Ooh,
You feel
okay.
me?
Okay,
I
okay.
used to have long hair too, but I had to cut it from my job. That shit sucked, yo. I used to have the flow.
Oh, how long was it?
Like, a little past my shoulders. It was really curly and shit.
Ooh.
But I'm about to grow it. I'm about to grow it back out soon, though.
So, your name's Chris?
I'm high as fuck.
No, you're good. You're good.
Smoking that gas, yo. I just smoked mad weeds. Feeling buzz like light years.
Is that good, huh?
Yo, you're fine, though. Honestly, yo, add some time.
No, I'm about to go. I gotta ask somebody else. I'm doing a YouTube video.
Alright, baby girl.
Alright. Bye, Chris.
Bye, baby.
Bye. Oh, he was nice. He was a whole mood. This is why I need to add time. We gotta do better at that.
Oh, hell.
Hello?
Oh shit, I got another light skin. Damn. Who's cute as fuck? Okay, add that.
Add time. Okay, so I'm shooting a YouTube video and I gotta ask you, rate me from 1 to 10.
Nigga, you 11.
11? 100?
That's my cousin. You sound dumb, nigga.
Thank you.
1 through 10. Nigga,
Stop at 10.
Nigga, I could've went on, you know. I could've gave her a gift.
Infinity.
Taking words out my mouth now, right?
Alright, you're cute too.
Dang. What about him?
He's cute, yeah.
Hey, look at that. I got you, boy. But anyway, you know, besides that whole YouTube little thing, add me on the snap.
I mean, what's your snap?
You can, okay, it's Joe Clark 810.
I'm filming this so I can just go back and see it.
Alright, I got you.
Alright, thank you. Everybody, add him on Snap. Oh, Snap, I hang up. Alright, let's do this. Is fun. I like this. Now that I got adding the time, oh, it's getting lit over here, okay? Hello?
How old is you?
How old are you? Add time.
How old is you?
What do you mean? I'm 20. What's up? How old are you? You look 14.
No, you're not 20.
I am.
Like 17, 18.
I'm
Come on, bro. Don't be dropping
I'm
your
definitely
ball,
20. I'm gonna be 21 this year. Ayy.
Yeah, I feel it. I'm only 18.
Oh, you a baby. Okay.
But age ain't nothing but a number, you feel me?
I hear you. So, okay, I have to ask you a question, okay?
Ask it.
Okay, rate me from 1 to 10.
10.
10? Oh, thank you. What'd you say?
Rate me from 1 to 10.
Okay. I give you a 9. You got a baby face. And yeah, I should really say 8 because you 18. You a baby.
You got jokes.
Bye. That's funny. I like adding time, making it better. Hello.
What's good?
Hey, what's up? Can you rate me from 1 to 10? 9?
9.5.
Ooh.
Add some time.
Add time.
I added time.
Add me on Snap.
What's your snap?
Just hit the little snap button in the top corner.
Okay.
Add.
Oh, bad. I didn't even know that. That's crazy.
Hey, yeah, I just figured that shit out too like 5 minutes ago.
Hey, all right.
Damn.
Bye, y'all. Hi.
Yo, broski, I just met some pretty bitch on Monkey, bro.
Can you add time real quick?
Alright, got you. What's up?
All right, so can you rate me from 1 to 10?
Like
An 8?
an 8 to a 9, yeah.
Why am I not a 10?
Yeah, you want 10, you trying my jack?
Huh. All right, bye. Okay. All right, we're gonna just cruise by like that just didn't happen. You know what I'm saying? What? Crazy. Y'all crazy up in here in this app. Y'all wildin'. He skipped it. All right, cool. We didn't want to talk to you anyway. Jacob. Hello. Hello. What? He was just showing me a game. I'm confused. Ooh, they from Brooklyn. Oh my gosh. Let's see. Hello? Add time. Can you rate me from 1 to 10? This man has weed and drugs and money in this video. Why did he not add time? He didn't want to go to jail. That's what it was. He didn't want to go to jail. He was flexing. He was big flexing over there. Wow. Y'all are wild. Ooh. Hello.
Yo, what's up? What you up to?
Add time real quick.
I see.
Hey.
What you doing? What you up to?
I'm making a YouTube video right now.
Oh shit. Out here all fucking YouTube famous.
Not even that. But can you rate me from 1 to 10?
You really want me to do that? Look, I can't do that. I've only known you for about 20 seconds, alright?
So
I don't even know your personality.
So, but on my face, on just physical, just my face.
Hey, physical don't matter, alright? Look, it's all about what's in the heart, okay?
True. Okay, I get that.
Alright, but we don't face and I give you about 8, alright?
Okay.
Alright,
Thank you. Alright, bye.
alright, see ya.
Oh, he was nice. He was sweet. Aw, don't worry. If you see this video. I'm just kidding. Ty, that sound like my friend. Y'all playing games on this app. That's all I see. This hurt my he skipped me. I hate y'all. My phone about to die. I'm gonna have to stop this. Hello.
Yo, what's up?
Add time real quick.
You got a nice smile, I ain't gonna lie.
Thank you.
That's the first thing I noticed about you.
Can you rate me from 1 to 10?
I'll give you a 10.
Ooh, why a 10?
10. What about me? If I'm ugly, it doesn't matter. You ain't gonna hurt my feelings.
I give you an 8.
I look a little rough right now. I don't have a hair.
Wait. What's going on in the back?
Oh, there's a little Florida hairstyle right here.
Like,
Oh, she don't know about the Florida wig.
yeah. What do you mean? I've never seen anything like that.
Hey, come to Florida. That's all you gonna see.
That's the ugliest thing I've seen. It's like a whole afro in the back. Are you kidding me?
Does the front at least look nice though?
Yeah, the front looks straight, but like, what is like? Are you supposed to put a ponytail in that? I'm confused.
Nah, it's just that's just how I wear it. You gotta. I mean, I'm not even. I understand.
What part of Florida?
You never seen.
What part of Florida? Huh?
What you said?
What part of Florida?
Orlando.
Orlando. I'm not visiting there.
Look, bro, no cap. That's.
Did you see that, Bob?
No.
It was like an afro right here.
Hank lives there. We like Hank.
So it was like shaved all the way to here, and he had an afro right here.
Wait, what?
Yes. That's why I was like, I've never.
I have to wait to watch the video.
All right, I'm gonna stop this. That just like icing on the cake. If y'all in Florida, if that's really a thing, y'all need to leave that there and don't ever bring it back. Y'all need to cut that right now. Alright, so if you guys like this video, you guys want me to do more videos like this, definitely like this video and comment down below. If you stay to the end, next week I might be doing a giveaway for the end of one of these videos. So this is like an Easter egg for the people that stayed to the end, and comment down Easter egg if you got it. Alright, see you on the next video.